Hey people, well, I just thought I'd show off another fan I've had for a while, just now getting around to showing. This is a 1970's Eskimo made by McGraw Edison, model 2010-83A. As you can see, the cabinet's that yellow color instead of the aqua color like the other Eskimo fans I have. And it's got the 5-wing plastic blade. There's another YouTuber whose page goes under the name of Vintage Fans and More. He has one of these with this cabinet, except unlike this one, it's got the 3-wing metal blade set. Yeah, it's still got the same model number, except his doesn't have the model number, and his doesn't have the A on the end. I guess the ones with the plastic blade had the A at the end of the model number. I don't know. We'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. And you see the cabinet's this nice yellow color. Here's the other side. Back. It's got that classic McGraw Edison motor mount, and it has pretty much the same motor as both my big Toastmaster boxers and that thin green one that I have. There's the top. And this is not the original handle. It's supposed to have the same style handle that most of my other McGraw Edison boxers have. But who knows what happened to that handle, as you can see by the indentations. But it's got this leather strap for a handle. And here are the controls and speed plate and all that. It's got that later Eskimo logo. And once again, this is a 2-speed with 2 off positions. I think the situation with that is that the switches on all these fans are a 3-speed switch, but some have just a 2-speed motor, so that's why you have the 2 off positions. And as of now, this is currently the only full-size or full-depth McGraw Edison boxer I have that will fit on any of my Rillabat stands, like, say, the tall one that I have. Because the cabinets on the 2 big Toastmasters are too wide to fit on there. Not talking about in terms of cabinet depth, but diameter. I mean, from here to here. You probably get the point. Anyway, here's this one running. It's like most of these, the speeds run higher. So here's high. high. And as always, coast down time, I believe, is still pretty decent. Though it seems to quickly stop at the end. So there you have it. It's my 1970s Eskimo by McGraw Edison, model 2010 83A. So thank you for watching.